Good afternoon. It has come to our attention that China and its agents, along with collaborators, have been bought off by China, are attempting to sow discord amongst the people of East Turkestan and Kazakhstan, especially the Uyghur and Kazakh peoples. We want to make it very clear that the people of East Turkestan, including Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, and Tatars, resolutely oppose all efforts by China and its collaborators to sow disunity and animosity amongst the people of East Turkestan and Kazakhstan, more specifically the Uyghurs and Kazakhs. We also want to make it very clear that East Turkestan has no territorial claims to Kazakhstan or any of our other neighboring countries. Our only territorial conflict is with China, and that is to end Chinese occupation and colonization in East Turkestan and regain independence for all of East Turkestan's 1,828,400 square kilometers territory. Historically, Uyghurs and Kazakhs have lived together side by side, and there have never been any conflict between our peoples. We cried together, we laughed together, and we fought together. The most evident example of this is the former East Turkestan Republic that existed between 1944 and 1949. East Turkestan and its people will respect and guarantee the rights and properties of not only native Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, and Tatars, but also those that have fled Russian persecution and sought refuge in East Turkestan. We ask Kazakhstan and its people to respect the rights and properties of native Uyghurs and Kazakhs residing in Kazakhstan, along with those that later sought refuge in Kazakhstan following Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. Those who are spreading messages of disunity and discord do not represent the people of East Turkestan. And we believe that those that are spreading disunity and animosity don't represent the people of Kazakhstan as well. If anything, those that are seeking to create discord and conflict between our two countries and its peoples are only dancing to China's tunes. Although there may be some differences, we are all one family. Our roots go back to the same ancestors. Thus, we urge everyone, including Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, and Tatars, to be vigilant and not fall for China's ancient divide and conquer tactics. We must focus our energy on our real enemy, and that is China, and not on one another. We hope that we can strengthen our bonds and work together as we have done so historically, and so that we may end China's occupation of East Turkestan and save Central Asia from Chinese encroachment. Thank you.